Liberty Mutual Better Car Replacement Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Today, we're dissecting Liberty Mutual's Better Car Replacement, a coverage option aimed at cushioning the financial blow of vehicle replacement after a total loss. The core feature is simple. If your car, less than 5 years old and totaled in a covered accident, is deemed a total loss, Liberty Mutual doesn't just pay the actual cash value, ACV. They pay for a replacement vehicle 1 model year newer with 15,000 fewer miles. Essentially, you're getting an upgrade. This feature is most beneficial for individuals financing newer vehicles, or those who rely heavily on their car and need a quick, seamless replacement without incurring significant additional out-of-pocket expenses. Think young professionals, families with children, or anyone prioritizing reliability and minimizing the replacement hassle. The primary strength lies in financial protection against depreciation. Cars depreciate rapidly, especially in the first few years. Better car replacement mitigates this depreciation hit, providing a buffer when facing a total loss. Another advantage is the faster replacement process. Instead of scrambling to find a comparable vehicle within your budget after receiving the ACV, you're immediately positioned to acquire a newer, potentially safer car. This minimizes downtime and disruption to your daily life. However, the coverage isn't without its drawbacks. Premiums will be higher compared to standard ACV coverage. You are paying for this enhanced protection, so expect a noticeable increase in your insurance bill. Another potential disadvantage is the 5-year age limit. If your vehicle is older than 5 years at the time of the accident, the Better Car Replacement benefit no longer applies, reverting to standard ACV payout. Also, it's crucial to understand the specific terms and conditions. While the promise of a newer car is attractive, ensure you fully grasp what constitutes a comparable replacement. The definition might not perfectly align with your expectations. Ultimately, Better Car Replacement from Liberty Mutual offers compelling value for specific car owners. If you prioritize minimizing financial loss due to depreciation and desire a streamlined replacement process, the added premium might be a worthwhile investment. However, carefully weigh the increased cost against your individual risk tolerance and vehicle age. If you drive an older car or prioritize lower premiums above all else, standard ACV coverage might suffice. Before opting in, obtain a quote comparing both coverage options and thoroughly review the policy documents to ensure complete understanding of the terms and limitations.